Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. So, today I'm once again here to teach you a very wonderful poem, right?
Yes, sir.
So, the name of the poem is here for Annie Gregory. For Annie
Gregory.
Gregory. Here, the poet William Butler Yeats, right?
Yes, sir.
First of all, we'll be coming to know about the poet here. The name of the poet is here William Butler Yeats. He was born on 13 June 1865 and died on 28 January 1930.
Nine.
He was an Irish poet,
Yes,
right?
yes, sir.
He was actually popularly known for the short poems, right?
Yes, sir.
He has written the poem in class 9. We have already studied is one of the best poem, The Lake Isle of Innisfree, right?
Yes, sir.
He was the first person in the field of literature to receive the prestigious award. And what was the prestigious award? Nobel Prize in Irish, right?
Yes, sir.
His poem were related to the realistic nationalism and human emotions and spirituality. The spirituality. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, come to the poem. For Annie Gregory, here is a conversation between a young man and a woman, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this poem is a conversation between a young man and a young woman. What are they arguing about? As I have already told you, through this poem, we'll be studying about the true beauty. Actually, the people often see the physical beauty, outer beauty, but the people don't see the inner beauty and the inner quality, especially in the women, right?
Yes, sir.
Your characters, your characters is one of the greatest thing in your life, right?
Yes, sir.
Only your character. Suppose that if you look very handsome or beautiful, and if you are characterless, right, then your means you can tell about your outer beauty, and people will know from your outer beauty, but people will not actually they will not recognize you for the inner quality and inner beauty from your side. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
In this chapter, we'll be studying about Annie Gregory, right?
Yes.
Okay. The poet says here in the first stanza, never shall a young man thrown into despair by those great honey-colored ramparts at your ear, love for yourself alone and not your aloe hair. Not your aloe hair. The poet says in the first stanza of this poem, there is a woman in this poem. The name of the woman is Annie Gregory, right?
Yes, sir.
Actually, she tells about the quality of aloe colored hair, right?
Yes, sir.
And people and there is a man also this poem who actually get attracted with the color of the hair of Annie Gregory, means a young lady, a young woman, right?
Yes, sir.
But through this poem, through this first stanza, the poet wanted to tell us that actually it is a kind of color that generally the lady had a color in her hair, right?
Yes, sir.
But if we talk about the inner beauty, inner character, if you want to love, means the poet tells to the man that if you want to love to the lady, then you have to love through your actually inner quality and inner beauty. You have not to love through the physical beauty, outer beauty, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Here is the meaning of the ramparts. Ramparts. The meaning of the rampart is, means you can say it is a called actually hair acts as a wall as they prevents young men from the looking, means you can say जैसे चारों तरफ जो उसकी जो बाल थी वो काफी ज्यादा खूबसूरत दिख रही थी, और जो लोग जो थे उस पे काफी ज्यादा, मतलब जो एक एक मेन जो था काफी ज्यादा उस पे अट्रैक्शन हो रहा था। पोएट यही कहते हैं कि अ, आप अट्रैक्शन उस कलर पे हो रहे हो, लेकिन उसकी जो क्वालिटी है, वो अंदर की ब्यूटी है, उस पे अट्रैक्शन नहीं हो। अट्रैक्शन जो है, पोएट ये कहना चाहते हैं कि उसकी कलर की क्वालिटी पे मत जाइए, आप उसकी जो अंदर की जो कैरेक्टर है, अंदर की जो क्वालिटी है, उस पे जाइए। डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir.
In the same things happens in our society. Actually, everybody knows the quality of the cuckoo birds I'm talking about. But if you actually, उसका रंग जो है काला है, right?
Yes, sir.
But nobody loves the color of the cuckoo. And sometimes you also think that cuckoo actually sings very melodious song, right?
Yes, sir.
But the color of the cuckoo would be very actually white color or any other color. The actually once again I have also actually said in my actually my mind, I have just thought myself that the God has actually made a very good creature and are very good birds, and she sings very melodious song, right?
Yes.
वो काफी मधुर गाना गाती है, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी उसको काला बनाया गया। लेकिन उसकी क्वालिटी से लोग जानते हैं कि वो क्या है, कुक्कू है, यानी कोयल है। यानी क्या है वो? कोयल है। तो बच्चों, पोएट यहां पे विलियम बटलर येट्स है, जो इनर क्वालिटी के बारे में बता रहे हैं कि जब भी आप किसी पे अट्रैक्शन आपका हो, तो उसकी क्वालिटी को जानो, उनकी इनर ब्यूटी को जानो, राइट?
Yes, sir.
आउटर ब्यूटी को अगर आप देखोगे तो सुंदरता कुछ समय के लिए होता है, और सुंदरता जो है वो बाद में वो खत्म हो जाता है, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Okay, come to the next stanza. But I can get a hair dye and set such color there, brown or black or carrot. The young man in despair may love me for myself alone and not my yellow hair. The Annie Gregory says that you just see the color of my hair. Yes, I can once again color my hair just like having a black or a red color, brown color, carrot color, right?
Yes, sir.
So the boy, the man may fall in love with me, right?
Yes.
When they just see the different colors in my hair, right?
Yes.
But the poet here, William Butler Yeats, he wanted to tell us that people, all the creatures and the people should love not by the color of the body, color of the actually hair. People must love with the quality of the people, character of the people, inner beauty of the people, right?
Yes, sir.
The inner beauty never lasts. Outer beauty may last in a few days, right?
Yes, sir.
If you want to build your own character, it will take a number of days. But if you lose your character, then you lose everything, right? अगर आप अपने कैरेक्टर को, अपने चरित्र को आप खो देते हो, तो आप दुनिया में सब कुछ खो देते हो। अपने मुंह दिखाने लायक आप दुनिया में नहीं रहते हो। पोएट यही कहना चाहते हैं। In the second stanza of this poem, once again I'm going to repeat it. But I can get a hair dye. एनी ग्रीगोरी कहती है कि मैं फिर से अपने बाल को रंग सकती हूँ, जिसका कलर ब्राउन होगा, कैरेट कलर का होगा और ब्लैक कलर का होगा, और लोग मुझ पे आएंगे, मुझे देखेंगे और फिर जो है मुझे पसंद करेंगे। बट जो मेन है, पोएट यहाँ यही कहना चाहते हैं कि देखो, ये इसकी क्वालिटी, जो हेयर की जो रंग है उस पे मत जाना, स्किन की क्वालिटी पे मत जाना, उसकी जो क्वालिटी है, उसकी जो कैरेक्टर है, उसकी इनर ब्यूटी जो गॉड ने उसको दिया है, उससे तुमको उससे प्यार करना है, ना कि उसके कलर से, ना ही उसके, अगर हम बहुत ज्यादा अगर कोई कॉस्मेटिक क्रीम यूज करते हैं, कुछ देर के लिए ब्यूटी हो सकती है, लेकिन हमेशा के लिए नहीं हो सकती है। आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, sir.
कभी कभी हम लोग भी अपने फेस वॉश करते हैं अपने चेहरे को, तो वो जो ब्यूटी होती है कुछ समय के लिए होती है, लिमिटेड टाइम, बट जब हम उसको वॉश करते हैं तो हमारी ब्यूटी वहां से वो खत्म हो जाती है, और जो भगवान ने जो हमें खूबसूरती बनाया है, हम बस वही हैं। ठीक है? इसलिए अपने करेक्टर को, इसलिए अपनी इनर ब्यूटी को आपको ठीक से मतलब जो है खूबसूरत बनाना है। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड द सेकंड स्टैंजा ऑफ दिस पोएम?
Yes, sir.
Okay, come to the last stanza of this poem. I heard an old religious man. Religious man means a religion man means you can say a very holy man, a very pious man, right?
Yes, sir.
But yesternight means last night. The meaning of yesternight is there. It means
Last night.
last night. Declare. By what does he declare? That he had found a text to prove that only God, my dear, could love you for yourself alone and not your Elohim. Here in this last stanza of this poem, the poet tells us that actually a man who is totally devoted in towards and totally leaning to search in God, right?
Yes, sir.
He wanted to search to God. And in the last stanza, the poet William Butler Yeats tells us only your inner beauty. The people will love for your inner quality, inner beauty. People will not love for the outer quality. Right?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
And people will also love if your character is good, and people will not love if your character is bad. Right?
Yes, sir.
Characterless peoples are not actually not known for not known in not known for a very good person in the society. Characterless people. So if you find any characterless people in your life, you have to stay away. You have to stay away from these kind of people, right?
Yes.
Here in this poem, the poet once again wanted to tell in the last stanza that only God can observe, because God has created us. Who has created us?
God.
God has created us, and only God can see the quality, can see inner quality in you. Once again, I'm going to repeat it. The only God, my dear, could love yourself alone and not your Elohim. Even God doesn't love your cosmetic things that you generally use in your body, in your face. The God loves your inner quality. The God loves your character. God, actually, generally, God has sent in this world to do a great work with great effort, right?
Yes, sir.
But what we people actually, suppose if there would be a building. Have you ever heard the Taj Mahal, about the Taj Mahal?
Yes, sir.
ताजमहल के बारे में आप सुने हो कि नहीं सुने हो?
Yes, sir.
Everybody, I have also heard. But actually, people was the quality and people was the outer beauty of Taj Mahal, the Taj Mahal. जो उसमें जो नींव रखा हुआ है, उसमें जो नींव रखा हुआ है, जिसपे ईंटें जो है, पत्थर जो संगमरमर पत्थर लगे हैं, जिसमें जो जिसको खड़ा करके मतलब पूरी ताज बिल्डिंग को खड़ा करके रखा हुआ है, ठीक है, उसके बारे में कोई नहीं जानता है। आप इस व्हाइट बोर्ड की मैं बात कर रहा हूं। इस व्हाइट बोर्ड कितना खूबसूरत दिख रहा है जब हम लोग लिखते हैं, लेकिन इसमें एक दो कील लगा हुआ है। उसकी जो है वो बोर्ड जो है टंगा हुआ किसके बदौलत? उस कील के बदौलत। लेकिन उसकी प्रशंसा कोई नहीं करता है। हम जब लिखते हैं तो हम लोग कहते हैं कि ये बोर्ड ये व्हाइट बोर्ड बहुत अच्छा है, इसकी क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा है। तो बच्चों, हमारे लाइफ में भी यही होता है। हम लोग बाहरी सुंदरता को देखते हैं और जो अंदरूनी जो सुंदरता होता है, जो इनर ब्यूटी होता है, उसे कोई ध्यान देता नहीं है। इसलिए बच्चों, मैं एक आपको संदेश देना चाहता हूं। इट्स माय मैसेज टू ऑल ऑफ द स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 10 दैट even if you are actually if your skin is very black, if you are an one-eyed person, and if your character is good, right, then you are a very respected person in your society. And if you are a very handsome and if you are a very beautiful person in your society, and if you are a characterless, then you are not a respected person in your society. So you have to build up your own character, build up your own inner quality, and you have to not think about your physical quality, right? Physical quality can last in a few days, but the inner quality never get lost. The poet wanted to tell us. समझ में आया कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
इसलिए जब कोई चीज दिखे आपको खूबसूरत, तो उसकी अंदरूनी खुद जो है उसके अंदर बनाए हुए चीजों पे जाना चाहिए, और ना कि उसके बाहर जो चीजें जो रखा हुआ है, जो दिख रहा है आसमान में, उसकी उस पे जाना चाहिए. अब में हम लोग घर बनाते हैं, वी बिल्ड अप आवर ओन हाउस और नॉट.
Yes, sir.
पीपल यूज डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ मटेरियल्स. प्लास्टर करते हैं, सबसे पहले ईटा को ढक देते हैं, लेकिन ईटा ही उसको खूबसूरत बनाता है. किसको खूबसूरत बनाता है? घर को. एक पिलर ही एक घर को खूबसूरत बनाता है. ठीक उसी प्रकार से हमारा जो बॉडी है, हमारा जो बॉडी का स्ट्रक्चर है, वो हमें खूबसूरत बनाता है. अगर हम यहाँ पे कोई बहुत ही क्वालिटी वाला कोई कॉस्मेटिक क्रीम में यूज कर लूं और मैं बिल्कुल एक हीरो के जैसा दिखूं, तो मैं रियल में हीरो नहीं हो सकता हूं. और जितने भी बॉलीवुड हॉलीवुड में जितने भी सिनेमा में दिखाया जाता है, जो भी हीरो हीरोइंस, क्या कभी आपने कादर खान का नाम सुना है? नहीं सुना है. आप नसीब मूवी देखे हो? नहीं देखे हो. आप कादर खान बहुत सारे भाई मूवी देखे हो सुनील शेट्टी का? उसमें वो पुलिस का रोल करते हैं. कादर खान के चेहरे में काफी ज्यादा पिंपल्स मार्क्स हैं, है ना? आप देखोगे बेचारे दुनिया में नहीं है, लेकिन उनके पास क्वालिटी था. वो अच्छे अच्छे बातों को कहते थे और कई बार उनको प्रेस्टीजियस अवार्ड से नवाजा गया, कादर खान को. तो उनके चेहरे की, ओमपुरी में भी वही हाल था. ओमपुरी का भी उसी तरह से चेहरा था. ओमपुरी तो उसके चेहरे में एकदम धब्बा 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 टाइप का था, लेकिन जब उसमें कॉस्मेटिक चीज जब उसको लगाते थे, वो काफी ज्यादा खूबसूरत दिखते थे. ठीक है, तो बच्चों ऐसा ही है. इसलिए अपने आप में सुंदर बनना है, तो अपने कैरेक्टर को पहले, सबसे पहले आप कैरेक्टर को सुंदर बनाओ. अगर आप कैरेक्टर आपका सुंदर नहीं है, तो आप सुंदर बनने के लायक नहीं हो. यू डू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir.
Once again, William Butler Yeats was a great poet. Even he was an Irish poet, but actually he just tell us that my old children, my old teachers, those who are actually reading my poems, they will be actually getting the quality of my poem, that the inner beauty never gets lost, but the outer beauty, actually outer beauty is for the limited period of time, and the inner beauty is unlimited. Inner beauty is unlimited. So you have to judge, my dear student, that if you'll be just going for the outer beauty, yeah, you have to go for the inner beauty. Our man in this poem, actually he is wanted to see the he wanted to see Annie Gregory. He wanted to love with Annie Gregory with the with having a color, right?
Yes, sir.
But the poet wanted to suggest to that man that you have not to love with the color of the that woman. You have to love that particular woman, not for the color, but you have to love for the inner beauty, right?
Yes, sir.
So how was the poem, my dear student?
Very nice, sir.
Very nice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is end of your class. See you in the next video. Thank you.